Think waxing is still the same painful chore? Think again. These 2025 innovations will blow your mind and transform your skincare routine. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover the top 5 waxing breakthroughs that are making hair removal faster, easier, and way less painful. Waterless wax strips. These strips are preloaded with natural wax, no heat, no rubbing, just peel and stick. They include soothing ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile, making them perfect for sensitive skin. And best of all, they're eco-friendly and biodegradable. No water, no heat, no hassle. Just peel, stick, and reveal. High-tech wax warmer with Bluetooth connection, coming in hot, but safely. Smart wax warmers. They auto-detect temperature to prevent burns and adapt to your room's conditions. Bluetooth sensing lets you set ideal tone for different wax types via a smartphone app. Plus, they have a safety shut-off and child lock feature. Smart waxing is here, and it's safer than ever. Hybrid botanical wax aesthetic shot of natural ingredients like coconut and lavender. Let's talk clean beauty with hybrid botanical wax. These plant-based wax blends are free from parabens and sulfates. They're flexible and grip hair without irritating your skin. And with calming scents like lavender, your waxing session feels more like a spa day. Gentle on skin, tough on hair. Nature's answer to smooth results. Precision facial wax pens. User shaping eyebrows with a slim wax pen. Say goodbye to overwaxed brows with precision facial wax pens. These slim tip pens give you total control over small areas. They warm themselves upon touch. No extra tools needed. And they're resealable, making them perfect for travel. This pen puts control in your hands. Transparent patches applied to read. Wax skin. Let's wrap up with recovery patches that soothe instantly. They use a hydrogel base to cool your skin right after waxing. Infused with vitamin C and C, they help heal and prevent ingrown hair. They're clear, wearable, and discreet. No sticky mess. Bonus innovations quickfire rounds. Before we wrap up, here are 3 bonus innovations rising fast in 2025. Waxing wipes that clean and wax in one step. Monthly waxing subscription boxes tailored to your skin type. Comment below. We'd love to hear your favorite. From waterless strips to smart tech, these waxing innovations are changing the game. Subscribe for more self-care trends and stay smooth in 2025. Don't forget to check the description for product links and discounts. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more beauty breakthroughs. Emerging micro-innovations. Waxing wipes wax and clean in one step. Biodegradable wipes. No strips or heating needed. At-home wax subscription kits delivered monthly, tailored to skin type. Pain-reducing numbing mists. Fast-acting numbing, safe and skin-friendly. Great for first-time users. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.